Hi everybody, today I will show you how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. So let's begin. To do this, open WhatsApp and tap on the three-dotted icon in the top right. Now click Settings. In Settings, tap on Privacy. Here, you will see the read receipts option available. And if you don't see it here, simply scroll down and you will see it as an option called Read Receipts. Now, it will have a toggle next to it. Just tap the toggle and turn it off. Once it's off, the blue double text will no longer appear when you read someone's message, so they won't know when you have seen it. Now, there are two things to keep in mind. First, if you turn off read receipts, you also won't be able to see when others have read your messages. It works both ways. Second, read receipts in group chats can't be turned off. This settings only applies to your one-on-one conversations. So, that's how you turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.